Android customization is a great thing and I enjoy doing that. So in this video I have collabed with my good friend Bhanu from Bhanu Chopra. So his channel link is in the description, and sorry for my voice, and do subscribe to both channels. And yeah, without being said, let's jump right into the video and see our setup. Now let's move to my setup. So first, I'm using Nova Launcher, as you guys can see, and in the home screen I have two widgets. One is the clock and the date one, and second is a which shows the day. So these are from Oshia Super, and if you go to my Nova settings, as you guys can see, so in the desktop, my desktop grid size is 7x7. The icon layout is 95%, and I've turned off the text. And if you go down, I have not changed anything except the page indicator. I've done it none. And now let's move to app widget drawer. So the drawer app grid size is 5x5, as you guys can see. Icon layout is 100%, and I have said turn on the label, and I have just click on the swipe to open, but turned off the swipe indicator. The background is black and transparency is 0. Enabled fast scroll bar, and scroll accent color is red. Sorry, because I'm just speaking this in very hurry. And yeah, this is pretty much it about the app and widget drawer. Now I've turned off the dock for get the minimal look, and I have not touched the folder. And in the look and feel, I'm using the Vicons. It's white icon packs, and it has over 5,100 icons, which is just amazing. And if you go back, and yeah, that is pretty much it about my setup. And here is the setup. The Oshia widget, Oshia Super that I'm using is, you can see on the screen. And yeah, the wallpaper that I'm using is from Ace Walls. If you want the wallpaper, and the wallpaper link is in the description. So yeah, I hope you guys like my setup. So yeah, bye guys.
Quick update guys, in my future setup videos, if you guys want backup of my setups, just tell me in the comment section. I will try to make that happen. So let's start with my setup first. I'm using Nova Launcher for this setup. Feel free to copy my settings, play a little with the settings. For this setup, I am using minimal icon pack, and every app wallpaper widget used in this video, I'll download links in the description. Do check it out. I'm using custom made wallpaper here. I got it from Google+, links in the description. This icon pack I'm using right now is so minimal, so good. And I'm using custom widget maker for this setup. Try hook widget, cool collection of widgets, so minimal looking widgets, worth to try. All widgets used in this video is from hook widget. This widget number is 137. I made some minor customization in the widget, just minor. This widget is one of my favorite widget. This widget got a speed spot for battery percentage, weather, and also music icon. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my setup. Don't show some support, like, share both channels, links in the description. See you next time. Peace out.
कर्मा